Hey Bobcats, hope you're having a great day. Nice to see you. Well, I can't really see you, but nice to know you're there. We wanted to take this opportunity to show you a little bit about Google Calendar. I know that now that we're deep into distance learning, you may be realizing that it's hard to keep track of all your classes, all your appointments, all the things that you have to do every day. And Google Calendar is a great way to help you keep track of all this stuff, your appointments, your classes, your events, all the things that you need to do. It's also a great way for teachers to invite you to Zoom meetings, study sessions, and other things. So let's get started. How do you even access Google Calendar? Most of you already know this, but we're just going to go through it. The one thing that I like to do is just Google Calendar. You see it comes up. Click on it, and there's my Google Calendar. You might have to sign in first using your school email address and password. I'm already in. So let's see. The first thing I want to do is add an event. So Friday, I need to add an event at 4 o'clock. So I'm going to look on my calendar. I'm going to go to Friday. First of all, I'm on my week view. I like to see my whole week. You might want to click up here and look at day, where you see everything that you have that day. You can also click on month and look at everything for the whole month. I, though, always like to just keep it on the full week. So I need to set an appointment for Friday. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click around the time, more options, and I have a meeting with Miss Dunkel. My meeting is at 3. It's going to last an hour, and I'm going to invite her. So I'm going to put in her email address, katya.dunkel@ousd.org, and save. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar? I'm going to press send, and sure enough, there it is, meeting with Miss Dunkel, 3 to 4 o'clock. I can click on it. If I need to make any edits, I can click here, the little pencil edit event, or if for some reason Miss Dunkel and I decide that we're not going to have this meeting, I can go ahead and delete the event here. Excellent. So, next thing, responding to events. So if your teacher or somebody sends an event to you, how do you respond? How do you know that you have something on your Google Calendar? Well, the first thing is if there's an event that is not colored in. So you see here I have this little event here that is not colored in, and I have this event here that is not colored in. So I'm going to look at this first event. I'm going to click on it, and it says check in about Bobcat Store. Looks like it's from Miss Dunkel, and I'm going to decide if I'm going to attend by clicking yes, if I'm not going to attend by clicking no, or maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes, and you see that it is now colored in here. I can also go to my email. So you guys know how to go to your email at this point. I'm going to click on Gmail, and I see here that I have an email from Miss Dunkel. Invitation, meet about Latinx Heritage Month. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Meet about Latinx Heritage Month from Miss Dunkel. And it looks like, oh, she actually included a Zoom link. Fantastic. So I'm going to click yes. I'm going to go ahead and attend that. Excellent. So now when I go back to my calendar, I have all of these events that are ready to go. You see that all of my events are the same color. They're all orange. This is a lot of orange, and it sometimes is a lot for me to keep track of. So I might want to color code my events. Maybe you might want to do that as well. Maybe all of your science events are going to be red, and all of your English events are going to be blue. That way you can look at your calendar and you can easily see what each event is. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say all of my advisory events I'm going to make pink. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on the edit event. I'm going to click down here where it has my name because it's my calendar. And then I'm going to click this select event color box. And I'm going to make it pink. Excellent. So now I see that that advisory event is now pink. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to say, that actually is about, well, that's not about advisory. Let's go down here. Be on GChat for advisory questions. Excellent. I am going to edit this event, make it pink, so I know that that's an advisory event. If there's any other events that have to do with advisory, I actually think this meeting with Miss Dunkel is about advisory, so I'm going to make this pink as well. That way I know that all of those have to do with advisory. Excellent. So now that you know how to keep a Google Calendar, you're going to check in with your advisory teacher as soon as this video is done, and you're going to have a chance to practice a little bit with your own Google Calendars. You're going to be able to respond to some invites, and you're going to be able to create your own. So have a great weekend, and if you have any questions, you can ask your advisory teacher or any of your teachers about using Google Calendar, but this is a great way to help keep you organized and on track. Go Bobcats, roar!